Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and use your undo send feature on Outlook. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, open any browser you prefer and search for Outlook. Click on the first link and make sure that you're logged in into your account. Now, whenever you try to send a mail and when something is wrong and it just clicks on send and you've already sent it, or just pressed enter and it's just already gone, there's nothing you can do. However, what you can do now is that you can simply go ahead into your settings and then go into your mail and go to compose and reply, and if you scroll all the way down, there is a undo send button or undo send tab right over here. Message can be cancelled for up to 10 seconds, so I just prefer using 10 seconds. Click on save. Now what happens is whenever you are writing a mail, so for example, let's just say I'm writing a mail to myself. Let me just go ahead and do that. Right, and once you've done that, now you've written something, and once you've pressed the send, as you can see, when you click on send, it's gonna have this right over here where you can just click on undo any moment you want. So it's gonna take exactly 10 seconds, so it's just staying there with that undo button, so you can click it as many times as you want, correct it, and send it again. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.